How to add premium channels to your YouTube TV subscription. Hi everyone and welcome back. In this video, we're going to show you how to add premium channels, also known as add-on networks, to your existing YouTube TV subscription. Adding premium channels like HBO, SHOWTIME, or STARZ allows you to expand your viewing options. Let's find out how to do it. To add premium channels to your YouTube TV subscription, you'll need to access your account settings through a web browser on a computer or mobile device. You generally cannot add premium channels directly through the YouTube TV app on most smart TVs or streaming devices. Open your web browser and go to tv.youtube.com. Make sure you are logged in to the Google account that has your YouTube TV subscription. Once logged in, click on your profile icon, which is usually located in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, select Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the section related to your membership or add-ons. It might be labeled Membership, Add-ons, or Purchases and Memberships. Click on this option. On this page, you will see details about your current YouTube TV base plan. You should also see a section that lists available premium channels or add-on networks that you can subscribe to. Browse the list of available premium channels. When you find a premium channel or package you want to add, click on it. You will be presented with details about the premium channel, including its monthly cost. If you wish to add it, click on a button like Add to Membership or Start Free Trial if one is available. You may be asked to confirm your purchase and payment details. Confirm the addition. The cost of the premium channel will be added to your monthly YouTube TV bill. The premium channels you added should become available to watch almost immediately within the YouTube TV app on all your devices. You can typically remove premium channels from your subscription through the same membership or add-on settings page on the YouTube TV website. We hope this video helped you understand how to add premium channels to your YouTube TV subscription. If you found this tutorial useful, please give the video a like and consider subscribing to our channel for more helpful guides.